Hello, this is Sarah and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to DIY Valentine's Day candles. Please like this video below and subscribe to my channel. You could also find the supplies listed below. I used printable temporary tattoo paper from Cricut. There are other brand tattoo papers as well. I just took some bows, hearts, flowers, very basic designs, have them ready on Cricut, and then do the print and cut option. First, have them printed through a printer on this temporary tattoo paper. Then it comes with this clear sheet you layer on top of the print, and then you cut it. I also added some bleed, but this was clear paper, so you don't need to add bleed when printing. You could also personalize with a name or a message. These are nice to also gift in a bundle for party favors or for kiddos. Take the clear layer on top off and then add the printed side onto the candle and spray some water on top or use a wet paper towel. And then after a few seconds, you could peel off the back paper. I made a bunch of bows for the first one. Just letting you guys know, I only burned these candles for 15 minutes or so. I don't know how the quality is for a long period of time. I just thought these were perfect for decorations or gift to friends for Valentine's Day. I don't know how well it lasts if you actually made these as a product to sell, so just letting you guys know. Then continue this step to cover up the rest of the candles. I made some heart ones too. Find all the supplies I used below the video, and please like this video below and subscribe to my channel for other easy DIY ideas. Thank you for watching.